friends, welcome back to my channel. When I come to the fantasy world, I always thought about elves, goblins, unicorns and many other things. But in this video, I'm going to be making a Kitsune doll. Kitsunes are one of my very favorite mythical creatures, and I think that they are just so gorgeous, and I already repainted a tons of Kitsunes for my Instagram, like pastel Kitsunes, ginger, unicorn, fairy kitsunes, dark kitsunes, dragon kitsunes, and so much more. So if you wanted to see that kitsunes, please check out my Instagram to see all of the photos. So now let's get start working on our ginger kitsune. So in this repaint video, I'm going to be using a Frankie Stein doll. Frankie Stein is one of my very favorite doll base to work with, and I already rerouted her using some orange color of yarn. Then I'm taking this sparkly outfit which is made by my grandmom. I think that she did a fantastic job in making this outfit. And now I'm just wearing this doll outfit directly to the doll. And then I'm taking a needle and thread and just sewing everything together. I think that this place is still looking plain to me, so I just take this golden lace and just added it to the waistline of the doll dress. And now the doll outfit is all done. I'm really loving this so much. Now using rubber band, I just secure the doll hair, and then I'm just taking some pure acetone and remove the doll original factory paint. Make sure that acetone is not for children, so children, please don't use this. And now I just seal the doll face twice with my sealant, and now I'm just taking my watercolor pencils, soft pastels and makeup brushes and starting repainting the doll face. I just have to stop saying this again and again, otherwise you guys can say that Heather Ali is mad and he said this about in his all videos. But I just wanted to say that please take your time to the sketch of your doll eyes, because it's just the base of your doll eyes and you can't spend that much sealant and can't waste that much sealant. But otherwise, when your doll face up is done and you spend a lot of sealant and then you don't like your doll face up, and just take your acetone and remove the doll face, so your all work will ruin. So please make sure to take your time to your doll eyes shape. Back in the days when I just started my doll customization and I don't know much about dolls and repainting the dolls, I just take some normal color pencils and starting sketching the doll eyes, but it will look really bad and your doll face up will be stained and it will look really bad. And please don't use normal pencils on your doll eyes. And back in the days, I just take a normal color of pencil and just starting sketching the doll eyebrows, and I say that it look really amazing. But nowadays the story is different, and I really like and enjoy adding a lot of colors to the doll eyebrows and building layers again and again. These days I really enjoy building layers because it will make the doll face very vibrant. It will make the doll face really much more pretty and add a lot of realism and a lot of color to the doll eyebrows and a lot of realism to the doll eyes. So please make sure to build your layers again and again. So now let's move on to the doll face up one more time. So this time I wanted to give the doll green eyes. So for the green eyes, I decided to use a lot of colors like yellow, green, blues and so many different colors, and added it to the doll irises, and it will look so much realistic and look so much good. And now I just take my makeup brushes and starting blushing the doll face. I just give it some brownie and some orange colors and also added some red colors to the doll cheeks. And then I'm taking my tiniest brush and acrylic paint and starting adding a lot of freckles to the doll face. Don't use single color for your freckles. Use a lot of colors for your freckles like red and dark brown and light brown, and it will look so much realistic. And at last I just give it eye shines and the doll face up is all done. I'm really in love with her. And what do you guys think about this one doll face up? So now I just give the head and body back together, and then I'm just taking some orange color of acrylic paint and starting painting the doll ears. And also adding some black tips to the doll ears. And then give it a coat of matte varnish and the ears are all done. And now it's time to work on the doll hair. It's the most challenging part when you make curls on the doll hair because it takes so much long time. But I take my flat iron and take a tiniest brush and starting making some curls in the doll hair. And I think that curls are looking so much stunning on doll hair and I love it so much. So I think that this will take about 4 to 5 hours or just 2 hours or 3 hours, but take your time to the doll hair and it will look so much amazing. Now it's time to work on the doll tail. So I just take a piece of wire and I'm just adding a lot of pieces of yarn wefts to it, and then the tail will be all done. I think that I really enjoy making doll tails, and I think that it really look amazing on dolls. And after a little bit of time and add more and more yarn, and then the tail is all done. Now I just take this green and orange beads and I'm just gluing this directly to the doll hair. And I also added some body blushing to the doll and added nail polish to the doll, and at last I just take this leftover yarn and I'm just adding it to the doll ears. Once I added this yarn to the doll ears, I make it even shorter and then the doll is all done. One thing I just noticed in this doll is that her curls are been removed, and I'm so much sad because I spent so much hours in making this doll curls, but when I wake up in the morning and I saw that the doll curls are been damaged, and I'm just so much sad, but overall I think that she came out so gorgeous. This doll is been available for sale on my Instagram, so if you are interested in buying this doll, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and follow me on my Instagram. And also please don't forget to press on the bell icon so you will never miss any updates. I will be posting a lot more videos very soon. Goodbye.